today officially begins our lifetime. That was an ordinary game of 2016. Hindi ko akalaing may isang taong manonood at mananatili sa buhay ko. Hindi lang bilang fan, kundi bilang pinakamalaking parte ng puso ko. Hindi mo lang ako sinuportahan sa court, pero sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay ko. At ngayon, after 9 years, nandito tayo, patunay na hindi lang tayo basta naglalaro. Nanalo tayo sa laban ng buhay at pagmamahal.
Mahal. Hala, ito na talaga. Nangyayari na talaga siya. Mahal, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa... Wala pa! Parang di ko ito mababasa. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa'yo kasi... Pinanindigan mo ako. Hindi mo ako iniwan. Kahit hindi mo na mawari ang ugali ko. Mahal, sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. Mahal, itong regalo ko sa'yo is more than just an accessory. Gusto ko lang every time na makikita mo ito o gagamitin mo, maaalala mo how grateful I am na dumating ka sa buhay ko. Yes, hindi siya planado pero perfect ang timing. Hindi ko na alam ano pang sasabihin ko. Pero sana magustuhan mo ito and masuot mo ito mamaya. See you later, mahal. Mahal na mahal kita. Alam ko naman na alam mo yon. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Scarlett. Love, EJ. Thank you. Thank you po.
We prepare for the season because we are going to celebrate what we call Holy Week. But that Holy Week is the fullness of God's mission. Pero kayo, naghahanda pa lang tayo. Kayo, Pasko ng pagkabuhay na. Why? Because the gift of the resurrection of Christ to reveal that He is true to His salvation is the gift of what? Of family. Kaya itong kasal ninyo, biyaya ito ng tagumpay ng Diyos. And I know, for 9 years of being together, it is also your victory.
For 9 years, mahal, ang dami nating laban. Some games we won easily, some we barely survived. And there were times na parang talo na tayo, but we never gave up. We fought for this, for us. Thank you for being my best teammate. Mas naging better person pa ako dahil sa'yo. Now, everything that I've dreamed of, nandito na sa harap ko. Si Scarlett, ikaw, and this dream wedding. You know how much we've waited for this. Marami rin kasi nag-judge at hindi naniwala sa atin na possible yung ikaw at ako. So today, mahal, my heart is full. We're surrounded by all the people we love, yung mga taong minahal at sumuporta sa atin. And I want to make my promises to you. Mahal, sa buong buhay ko, ikaw na ang pinaka-importanting laban na sineryoso ko. And now, as we start this new game together, I just want you to know, wala nang ibang teammate na gusto ko makasama habang buhay, kundi ikaw. Handa na ako, mahal. Game na. Hindi lang sa isang season, hindi lang sa isang championship, kundi panghabang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita.
Ay, pangit. Magiging asawa na kita. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa mga sasabihin ko sa'yo. Lahat naman na ata nasabi ko na. Pero, ayun, sobrang proud lang ako kasi dumating tayo sa ganito. Sa dami ng problema, pagsubok, hindi tayo nag-iwanan. At ngayon, magsasama na tayo bilang isa. Alam kong mahirap tong papasukin natin pero pinapangako ko sa'yo, sasamahan kita habang buhay.
Show me your hurt and all of your scars. There is no distance wherever you are.
Mahal na mahal natin kayo, tatay. We're always here for you.
If you're lost out there, come get out of the cold. If you ever
God's destined you to be a husband and to be a wife. And He is giving you the blessing because He believes in your marriage. He believes in your love. And today, your marriage is really your life and happiness.
I'll be a lighthouse out on the sea.
DJ, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Bugoy nung narito ka na nisunog sa batas sa malitutuloy ng ating banal na simbahan? Buong puso bang pagkakalabos sa kanya na yung sarili bilang kanyang may bahay? Apa?
Lost out there, come get out of the cold. If you ever get scared, I'll never let you go. Just send a message, just send a message home. When the tears pour down like a waterfall, you don't have to be strong, you don't have to be alone. Just send a message, just send a message home. Just send a message home. Just send a
Walang iwanan. Nandito lang ako lagi para sa inyo ni Scarlett. Hindi ko kayo papabayaan. Basta lagi mong tatandaan, mahal kita at mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Scarlett.